Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to separate parts of your 3D model for rigging and animation. Let's start by separating individual pieces. First, hit Tab to enter edit mode. Now hover your cursor over the part you want to detach and press L. This will select the connected chunk of the model. Hit P to separate it into its own object. If you want to grab multiple parts, just keep hovering and pressing L before you separate them with P. OK, if you want to go crazy and detach every single part automatically, select the whole model and go to Mesh Separate by Loose Parts. Heads up, if you've got a really high poly model, save your work before doing this. It might take a while or even crash Blender if you don't. Now you've got all your nuts and bolts as separate objects. But wait, there's a smarter way. Instead of breaking everything apart, you might just want to separate parts with different materials. Easy, select the whole thing in edit mode, then go to Mesh Separate by Material. This will group things by the textures they use, which is often more convenient. Well, that's the basics of separating your car model parts. Hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have other Blender questions, and I'll see you in the next video.